Hello, this is just a Propresenter tutorial kind of 101 for Life Point kids or students, whoever might be using Propresenter to do some worship or some slides during your large group time. So what I want to do is just kind of show you really quick how to make a presentation and just a couple really important things about Propresenter. So on the screen here you've got your Propresenter files opened up and the main screen here, and what I'm going to do is actually set up a presentation that we'll actually use. The one that we're going to use this Sunday, I already have set up, is actually Crew March 24th. And so what I'm going to do is set up a new presentation, Crew March 31st. So what I would do is click here on New Presentation. This would come up, and then you just put in the file name. So if it was students, you could put students date for the presentation or whatever you want. I've already done this and saved it, so I'll cancel, and then you'll see it's right over here, March 31st. You'll have a blank square right here for your first presentation slide, and then what this is that I've already put in is actually a song that we're going to be doing every week. And so here's how you load up a song. You go down here to your videos and images, and sometimes this is hidden. You might have to pop it up and click this green button here at the bottom, but right here you can see the videos and the images. And so we'll go down here to worship songs, and these are all the worship songs for Crew. So what I did was I did the Who You Say I Am song, and I just click on it and then drag it up there. The other song that we'll be doing in the upcoming weeks is going to be actually like Big House. So right here is the Big House song. So what I want to do for my second song is drag it up and put it in place. So now we've got our two songs. Who You Say I Am and Big House are already loaded. And then what we'd want to do after we have the worship time all set up is go for the key passage for Crew, if we're setting it up for Crew, or any verses that you might want. And what we'll do is we'll have those kind of preloaded, and we'll put it right here in key passages. So you see key passages here. So right now we're in Deuteronomy, so I'm going to grab this Deuteronomy key passage that we've already preloaded, grab it and put it in place. So now we've got two songs and a key passage. And then what we'll also want to do is load up the videos for the lesson time. So the worship team will use these two songs, and then the large group leaders will use the rest, because we only use presentations for large group course. So what we'll do is we'll go to Crew Lessons, and what I want to do is I want to pull up the two videos for 331. So I've got these two, so I'm going to drag it up here, drag the other video up here, and then we're all set. So now you kind of have a presentation set up. It's that easy for March 31st with two worship songs, a Bible verse, and then our videos. So the way that you would run these is during the worship time, you just click on the video that you want, and then this will play on the screen connected to the computer through a HDMI cord or whatever. So you can see that video has started to play, and this just gives you a small idea here of what will be on the screen, so that the person knows controlling it. I'll pause it, and so there's that. And then you can go to the next song after that real quick, and here's Big House. And then once the large group leader starts, he could reference the verse, and then you can show the kids the verse, and then we've got our videos. And you can click using the mouse, or you can use the arrows if you get it all in order on the keypad, and just click right through all the different videos. And that's set up. That's pretty much it. Not super hard. And then every time you add a, a presentation, it'll store it right here in the library. So that's pretty simple. If we need to go back and check what we did last week, we can look there. Here's what we're doing this week.